Hey guys, we're back. Seems we finally got a nice summer day. Spring. No rain, no clouds yet. So I think I'm overdressed, but finally have a chance to get out on the water. We got the two machines here. It's mine, there's Forrest's. When the launches are closed, we'll find a way to launch. So we built this contraption. But it works. So we're just gonna explore the Holland River a bit, maybe hit the mouth of Simcoe. The wind's supposed to pick up, and if the wind picks up, I don't want to be out there right now, it's still cold. But yeah, we'll explore a bit. Let's see what we can find. But I don't know, see you in a sec. Made it out to Simcoe. So that's a north wind, man. It's pretty chilly. I had to switch hats. Still didn't lose my speaker cover, that's good. There's Forest coming out behind us. Let me do a few things out here, switch up some batteries, and check back in a sec. So we made it into Bradford now. My battery's gonna die again. So we got the marina here on on this side. Some more boats here, houseboats and whatnot. That's Highway 11, or what Yonge Street turns into. We'll go to the other side of the bridge here, and then we'll regroup. This is about as far as I go. I never tried to go further down the canals either way, but where those barriers are usually where we could launch. But unfortunately, with everything, those launches are closed. We still get a million people gathering there to fish, so it is what it is. There's Marky. I'm gonna change my battery and we'll meet up with him. See you in a second. Start heading back, see what we have along the way. Yeah. I was going slow. It's like a little ramp. Made it past the bridge, so we're gonna go a little bit further, see how far that takes us and if we could get anywhere. Let's figure it out. If it looks too shallow or beat up, I'm gonna just turn around. Let's see what we can find. Low fuel, just in time. Whatever was stuck in there's out now. That's better. And that's how we go through wear rings. I think that's our limit here. Suck something up there in the water and you're in shallow. It's time to wrap it up before I destroy another wear ring. Can't keep replacing these things. But yeah, there's 2 leaf houses there, so I'll say they're A-okay in my books. But yeah, now we're just gonna wrap up, go back to the house, like I said, get a bite to eat, make a decision on what's next. So if we don't go back out, thanks for watching. I know not the craziest video, but it's been hard to get out lately, as everyone knows. Hopefully everyone's staying safe out there. Watch some videos to keep yourself occupied, and unless the next clip is back to fishing, we'll see you on the next adventure. Peace. Hey, the whole bottom of your sea-doo's touching the water. The whole bottom of your sea-doo's touching the water. It's on the water.